Hello guys, how are you guys doing? So, I just want to talk about this research that I saw, and it talks about 31% of Filipinos would, American Filipinos, would go back, I mean, would move to the Philippines. Sorry, I can't think right now. Pero ito yun eh. Among Filipino adults who would move to the Philippines, about half say the main reason is lower cost of living. So, the lower cost of living, to be closer with friends or family, better support for older people, less racism. See, I don't know what this is about. Kasi nga, I've been living here for a long time. And I've never experienced racism. I've experienced people belittling me. I've been treated bad, and I've been called names before, but I never thought of it as racism. I just thought of it as, they like belittling me. So, but let's move on. More familiar with the culture. Okay? So those are the reasons why Filipino Americans would move back to the Philippines. Okay. Pero ako personally, I would not move back to the Philippines. Okay, even though I was born there, I I like it here already. Maayos kami dito. It's great here. Opportunity, it's so much opportunity in here. Um, It's just this is my home already. Ang dami ko ng ano dito and ang dami ko ng accomplishment. I'm also so used to the culture here. I've met many friends and I just like it here. Especially lalo na when I was in the Philippines. Man, nagka-dengue ako doon. Nagka-pneumonia ako doon twice. And dito, I've never experienced that. So, it's really great here. I love it here. Thank God for this country. Okay? So, and there's people who don't like me for that. They said na like you should be, sabi nila sa akin, like you should be loving your country and stuff like that. Um, you should love where you come from. Like, no, no. Where I came from almost killed me. Nagka-pneumonia ako doon twice. Nagka-dengue ako doon. The dengue almost killed me. Tapos pneumonia pa twice. So no. And I never get sick like that here. You know, opportunity here is great. You can get jobs if you work hard. You can make money here. Um, Me and my wife, able to buy a house just working as a server. I was a server, she was a server. We were able to buy a house. Okay. So as long as you work hard, as long as you give it your all, you can make it in here. Especially there's so much opportunity. Okay, so I'm really thankful for being here. Not a lot of people can come here. So, yun lang naman po. I just thought that this was a interesting research about Filipino Americans. So, everyone, have a good day and peace out. Come on, and